Mayong adlaw mga kikilaan, ako si Chokoy. On behalf of Chef Mark, kami ang Wondering Kusina. Mga ka-wonders, today is another recipe, pulutan pero something special. Kasi we are trying to come up with the original humba na version long time ago. Ang humba, first of all mga ka-wonders, hindi po ito adobo. Kasi this is so far from the Spanish adobo. Ang humba po is actually taken from the Chinese recipe. Chinese dish po ito. And I'm going to give you more information about it. Maraming salamat sa FB page na The Lost Filipino Cookbook. Marami tayong kaalaman in terms of culinary history sa page na yan. At saka kasama na dito ang ating lulutuing original na Cebuano Humba. If you're new to Wondering Kusina, please don't forget to subscribe to Wondering Kusina and click that notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga bagong videos namin. Ngayon, i-attempt na nating lutuin ang original Cebuano Humba. So we used frozen pork sa video na ito mga ka-wonders, and this is more than a kilo. Now, you can always skip this step kung fresh pork ang gagamitin nyo. But since kailangan ko siyang pakuluan na lumambot, so diniretso ko na siyang kulo, hindi ko na siya dinefrost. So yung tubig na mismo, yung pagpakulo na natin ang magdi-defrost sa kanya at diretsong luto na. So I kept it covered until lumambot itong pork natin and until as well na lumabas yung mantika niya mismo at medyo maprito siyang konti. So every now and then, kailangan nyo siyang haluin ng haluin kasi like this, medyo lumalabas sa mantika niya at pumuputok na siya at we have to avoid na masunog yung ilalim. So just keep it covered para mas lumambot siya mga ka-wonders, and then mix nyo lang, haluin nyo lang talaga until yung surfaces, each side ng surface ng pork cuts natin is magiging brown. So let's just keep it like this. Every now and then, i-check lang natin. Pag dumami na yung mantika ng mga ka-wonders na lumabas dun sa pork natin, we have to make sure na tanggalin natin yung mantika. And as you can see, meron tayo ditong tubo or sugar cane. Gagamitin natin to sa process na ito according doon sa original recipe na ginamit nung sinaunang panahon when this menu or this dish was created. Ilipat lang natin temporarily itong mga pork natin mga ka-wonders at saka yung mantika because we're going to do something dito sa wok natin. Now, sa next process, you don't have to use a wok. Kung may kaldero kayo na mas medyo malaki or clay pot kung saan yun talagang ginagamit dati. Now, kung wala, you can use a frying pan or ganitong wok just like what I'm using right now. So, ito lang gagamitin natin for now. And then, as you can see, nag-cut tayo ng mga sugar cane. Binalatan ko na yan. And then, we're going to use this sugar cane as an additional sweetness dun sa pork natin or sa humba natin. And at the same time, they will be used as base dito sa wok natin for this recipe. This is going to prevent our pork from burning sa bottom. Now, arrange lang natin and then we have to make sure that they're close to one another and then we place all the pork on top of the sugar cane. Ganyan. So, ready na? We're going to add 4 cloves of garlic. Then, lagyan natin ng star anise, 3 star anise, and then cinnamon stick. Yan. Bark ng cinnamon yan, napakabango yan. So, we'll just cut it into 2. Depende sa anong klaseng cinnamon meron kayo. Just cut it into 2, basta maliit. And then, some bay leaves. 3 bay leaves ang gagamitin ko dito. And in this recipe, this is the first muscovado sugar. Ito yung first set ng muscovado sugar na nilagay ko. This is about 1 cup. And tapos, I have put black beans, salted black beans. Hinugasan ko po yan. And suka. Now, sugar cane or tuba lang gagamitin nyo, which is fine. And then water. Now, mga ka-wonders, once again, hindi po ito adobo, kundi humba po ito. Sinaunang panahon, ginagamitan nila ng suka. But, the only difference is walang toyo. So, let's put water na enough lang na makapagpaboil sa kanya, and we're going to allow it to boil as you can see, and every now and then you have to check it. Now, we'll simmer it in a low to medium fire na dapat hindi siya masunog until lumambot siya. Now, every now and then, or like towards the part na alam nyo matagal na siya napakulo, i-check nyo lang po siya if it is already tender. And you can also taste the sauce kung ano natira. But if you're not satisfied yet, kasi dapat maging golden talaga yung color or medyo reddish yung kulay ng pork na to. Similar to the Chinese pork kung ano silang magluto na medyo talagang pulang-pula. Dahil sa sugar at dahil sa sa black beans, additional black beans na nilagay na pampaad ng color. Now, I tasted this recipe, or I tasted this, I already tasted the sauce, but nakulangan ako ng alat. So, nilagyan ko po siya ng additional na asin, siguro mga almost 1 tablespoon of asin, and additional 2 tablespoons po ng muscovado sugar. Now, you can only use either muscovado sugar or brown sugar, but we strongly suggest use muscovado sugar because ito po yung original na ingredient na kind of sugar na ginamit nung sinaunang panahon o yung classic na sugar talaga. I am going to add hot water in this recipe kasi nga nakulangan pa ako sa lambot at saka to balance out doon sa nilagay natin na sugar at saka yung salt. So, make sure mga ka-wonders, when you are boiling or tenderizing meat, add boiling water, hindi regular tap water para continuous yung heat niya. So, once the water runs out or evaporates, i-mix nyo lang po and then i-taste nyo kung okay na ba sa inyong panglasa at kung okay na ba yung lambot. Here, okay na lahat. So, isi-serve na natin. So mga ka-wonders, ito ang ating Cebuano Original Humba. Tinry ko lang mga ka-wonders. I'm not so sure kung ito talaga yung lasa niya. The only difference of the current ways of cooking humba, kasi may iba't ibang version na yan ngayon. Etong original na Cebuano Humba, as you can see it, wala itong toyo. At saka, supposedly, walang suka din. The only acid na nilagay ng iba pag yung current version is yung acid ng pineapple. But ito is from the original version daw ng humba ng mga Cebuanos. Now, tikman na natin. Baka nasobrahan ko yata ng tamis. Yan. Tingin niyo yan, oh. Yung strands, yung fiber. Tikman natin. Kulang na lang kanin. Ang alat na niya is coming from the salt at saka from the tausi or yung black beans. Salted black beans. Ang sarap ng sunog ng sugar. Ang sarap ng medyo sunog na sugar mga ka-wonders. Mga ka-wonders, sana nagustuhan itong recipe na ito. And please don't forget to like this video and then comment down below. Mga ka-wonders, if you like this recipe, please don't forget to put a thumbs up and then comment down below sa comment section and then share nyo na rin itong video na ito. And if you're new to Wondering Kusina, please don't forget to subscribe to Wondering Kusina and click that notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga bagong videos namin. And follow us sa social media natin, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Mga ka-wonders, thank you very much for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo at lutuin nyo, i-attempt itong pagluto ng original Cebuano Humba. Hindi adobo, kundi humba. Ako si Chokoy. On behalf of Chef Mark, kami ang Wondering Kusina. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace.